A no-bake dessert I never get tired of. It melts in your mouth. Take milk. Soak the ladyfingers in milk. Place the ladyfingers in the tray lined with plastic wrap. Pour sour cream into the bowl. Add powdered sugar. Mix the cream a little. Pour in whipping cream and mix into a firm cream. Soak the gelatin in water. Take a part of the cream. Mix well with the hydrated gelatin. Add to the remaining cream and mix the cream again. Then add frozen berries to the cream. Gently mix the cream with the fruit. Put the cream over the ladyfingers in the tray. Level the cream layer with the spatula. Soak other ladyfingers in milk. Cover the cream with ladyfingers. Wrap with plastic wrap and put in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Put strawberries in the blender cup. Add sugar. Grind the strawberries with a hand blender. Pour the strawberry juice into the glass. Add a few ice cubes. Fill the glass with milk and mix well. Decorate with whole strawberries. With a delicate taste, easy to make, and without baking, this cake will become any housewife's favorite.